Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create a hotspot using CMD. Let's start. Run CMD using an administrator SS. Now in CMD, write net sh wlan set hosted network mode is equal to allow SSID. Now give your hotspot a name. For example, I give my hotspot a name MyTech. Okay. Now your hotspot need password. For that, write key is equal to your password. For example, I set my password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. After that, hit enter. Now it will say that hosted network mode has been set to allow. SSID of the hosted network has been successfully changed. The user key phrase of the hosted network has been successfully changed. Now after that, write net sh wlan start hosted network. Now hit enter. It says that your hosted network has been started. Now you check your other device, you will see that the hotspot has been created. Now in order to be sure that your device has got an internet access, for that go to control panel, network and internet, network and sharing center. Now you can see that I am connected to BSNL and BSNL is getting an internet access, and I have created a hotspot with no internet access, no network access. For that, go to change adapter settings, click on Wi-Fi which has an internet access, properties, sharing, allow other networks, and give a local area connection 14. Here, click on local area connection 14 and click on OK. Now you can see that here a MyTech hotspot name has been started, and here also MyTech has got an internet access. So now you can operate an internet on an external device using the hotspot of your current LAPI or PC. Thank you for watching and do subscribe.